Hello, welcome to another edition of Johnny Stocks 212. Other people trying to sell you something. I'm just here to find those A winners, go getters, trend setting companies to invest in. Thank you for joining me wherever you may be. We got a great show for you today. Today we're talking about an exciting company called Compass Therapeutics. Please read the disclaimer on your own time. So Compass Therapeutics is a clinical stage oncology biopharmaceutical company, and they're really looking at antibody-based therapeutics to treat multiple human diseases. So I'm really excited about that. They're looking at angiogenesis and the immune system and tumor growth. So let's look at their leadership team. Dr. Thomas J. Schultz. I'm a big fan of MD, PhD. The guy's the co-founder. I like companies where the co-founder's still around. He's the CEO. A lot of experience. Basically, before he co-founded Compass Therapeutics, had a very successful run at Orbit Med. And one of the reasons I got excited about this company is they have a bispecific antibody that targets the delta-like ligand, DLL4, and the vascular endothelial growth factor A. And this is really kind of a new generation of angiogenic inhibitors. They've already done phase 1 trials, which, they're looking for the doses in phase 1 trials, clinical trials, so they're in humans. And they're looking at it as a monotherapy. It's demonstrated pretty good benefit based on the studies, pre-treated patients who had progressed with, a whole bunch of different, VEG, VEGF, EGFR, HER2 targeted PD-1L1 targeted therapies. So the response was pretty good. They've, in patients with really awful stuff, advanced colorectal cancer, gastric cancer, and the responses were pretty good. Ongoing combination studies for pancreatic cancer, which there's really not a lot of good options for patients, unfortunately. So let's take a look at this pipeline. So this is what I was talking about, that CTX001 DDL. So you can see they have a whole bunch of indications. They also have an agreement with Merck. Now, you see this one here combination, their CD137 plus CTX471 and a PD-1. So the PD-1 is actually, the CTX471 is the monoclonal antibody, that co-stimulates that CD137, which is basically expressed on these T cells and natural killer cells. So the PD-1 is Merck's Keytruda. So if you've heard of, anti-PD-1 inhibitor, the big one that most people have heard of, Keytruda is the brand name, pembrolizumab. So they're in clinical trials. They're working in agreement. I want to say Merck is doing its clinical support for Keytruda, and it's a joint development. So that's pretty exciting stuff. So they have a lot of different things in the pipeline. The CTX471 agonist, I'm pretty excited about. A bunch of different indications: colorectal cancer, ovarian cancer. Now they also have some undisclosed autoimmune disease, preclinical stuff, but they're already in phase trials. So this is pretty exciting. Let's look at the stock price. So CMPX is the stock symbol. Compass Therapeutics at the time of the video is trading at $4.19. Now, I do think there's a lot of opportunity here. I do think we're in a tough environment, with interest rates going up, with inflation going up. These type of growth companies can get hammered, but they're in clinical trials. I think there's a lot of potential here, a lot of risk, a lot of potential reward. I do think if they're successful, they move into phase 3 trials. I'm going to be monitoring this company closely because I want to see what happens. What is the primary outcomes? What are the secondary outcomes? What does the results say in the study? There's a lot of opportunity here, not a lot of great options for patients with pancreatic cancer. So they have a compelling pipeline, a lot of potential therapies. That's all the time I have for this video. If you did enjoy this video and the content I'm creating, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's completely free to subscribe, helps my channel grow. I'll continue to monitor this company. And as always, thank you for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.